What's up, guys? It's AY Reckless, and you guys have a treat today. I went on Amazon and I got a kombucha homebrew kit, and I'll link it down in the description below in case you are interested in trying this. I found myself going to the store and spending a lot of money on kombucha because back in when I was growing up in Russia, in the villages, this is what we would brew, and this would kind of be like our soda. So instead of spending gobs of money, $5 here, $5 there, kind of adds up, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just get my own kit from Amazon and see what it's about. So opening the box, you get a jar with everything in it. And here is the instructions here. So let's see what we got. So here it is, the organic kombucha starter, the organic SCOBY. So this is what it looks like. So what kombucha really is, guys, it's like a mushroom that ferments sugar. That's why a lot of it is made with tea and sugar. And a lot of people have used different things like coconut water to brew their kombucha. It really depends on what you want to do. You can get really creative with it if you want. So we got sugar. Organic sugar. We got a bag for something. 15% off coupon. And I believe this cheesecloth, you put this on top of it so it can breathe and flies don't get in it. And then it looks like it comes with a sticker thermometer. You probably stick on this. I never used it in the past, but I guess it's there for a reason. I guess let's get down to business and see what the instructions are. Okay, so in a medium-sized pot, we're gonna take 4 cups of water to a boil and then turn it off. It's just filtered water. And then we're gonna pour the entire contents of the organic tea blend into the pouch. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna be using this to steep the tea in. Okay, so this will be our tea bag. So we make our own tea bag. So that's the explanation for this. Okay, so let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, that's a given. Pour entire contents of the sugar in the pouch, from the pouch into the pot and stir. Okay, once the sugar has dissolved, pour your newly made sweet tea mixture into the glass jar. Boom. Then after that, we will fill the brewing jar with 8 cups of cold filtered water. No, Taz, no. I'm gonna put you up. See what happens when you get the dogs here to try to help you. They just do too much, man. But for the most part, they're pretty chill. But yeah, for my filtered water, I'll go ahead and use my bottled water that I have. I got the water. I got the pot. We're about to measure 4 cups of water. That's 2, apparently. And 4. And now I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Now, while the water's boiling, I'll go ahead and fill up the tea bag with the tea. Okay, I'm about to add the tea to the tea bag. And then the sugar will be next. And by the way, guys, if you haven't checked out my dog page, I did get some new t-shirt designs. You can check it out. I got Taz. I don't know if you can see him, but this is Taz. Come here, say hi to the camera. Right here, this big guy right here. But anyways, I'll get back to you once this tea has brewed. Okay, the water has come to a boil. Let's turn that off. I'll show y'all that I'm dipping the tea bag into the water. Oops. Getting a little dramatic here. That, and then they said put all of the sugar into the pot. What do you guys think? Do I need like a POV angle and like throw a GoPro on my chest? Just wondering. Trying to get ideas, but I don't want to do too much, you know? I don't want to be that guy, but is there even a such thing as doing too much on YouTube? I don't think so, right? You do whatever you want. Let this tea steep for a good 5 to 7 minutes. And we'll be right back. Oh, sorry guys. Had the munchies and I had to make me a sandwich. Anyways, let's get to it. They said that we need to go ahead and pour the tea into the brewing jar. So let's go ahead and do that. And by the way, you do not throw this cloth bag away because you will reuse it for your next brewing. Once you have a different method of brewing tea, you could just literally just throw black tea bags and different kind of teas, green tea, black tea, like white tea, whatever y'all want, y'all can do. This is just what the kit has to offer, okay? Well, hopefully I don't make a mess. And now it calls for 8 cups of cold water. Which is what this is. Y'all saw that? I did a whole tornado. That was cool. Let me try that again. Put a little bit of chipotle mayo in there. It's a little spicy. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, sheesh. That was kind of cool. Okay. It's telling me now to add the temperature gauge. It's not completely straight, but it's legible, and that's all that matters. Blah, blah, blah. It should be between 68 and 86 degrees. Okay. It is at 78 degrees. We are in between our goal temperature, and then time to add the cool cultures into the jar. Alright, nice, they double bagged it. I appreciate the thought. Let me move my Sammy out the way. Ooh, there it goes. Nice, so it is a floater. So they say sometimes that they might sink, but it's cool, so. And now, for the final touch, we add the cheesecloth. Let's see if we can get it. Tight little little cheesecloth. There we go, guys. Now they say you want to leave it in a room temperature environment where sun won't penetrate it. So I'm gonna leave it somewhere in this corner over here, most likely. But here it is, guys. This is what kombucha looks like when you brew it yourself. Look at that. So I'll give you guys another update in about a week. What does it say here for the brew, for the time to 7 to 9 days? Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys little updates on what's going on with the kombucha so y'all can see. But I definitely highly recommend you get your own kit on Amazon. Like I said, I will post a link down below, and you can go ahead and get that and start on your own kit. And it comes with everything you need. So if you don't have it, you must not have a pot at home. So, but it comes with everything you need, and you're pretty much good to go. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and hopefully you guys can stop spending money at the store and make your own at home. And you can start having your own different flavors. So I want to have like maybe 2-3 different flavors and have friends come over and try different ones. So this is just going to be a hobby for me because I personally enjoy drinking kombucha. And if you do too, this is a great move for you and something that you can do with your loved ones at home. Okay? Thank you for tuning in. Reckless Vision, we're out.